meet people in my everyday life, I inevitably get asked the question, once they find out I'm a public speaking trainer, what's the secret to public speaking? What's the number one skill that you think will change the way I speak? And I actually have an answer. It's pausing. Pausing more often, being silent more often during your presentations, that's the key. It does so many beneficial things for you. It helps to lower your anxiety, which seems a little counterintuitive because all we want to do when we're anxious is talk, 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 get through it. But if you pause more often, you gain better control of the audience and your subject. It makes you look like you know what you're talking about, which you do, but you have to believe it. The pause also gets rid of those filler words. Anytime that we are going on, we tend to, fill in that space. Because the silence is awkward to us, but I can guarantee you, your audience eats it up. It's another great reason for a pause, allowing your information to sink in. While that information is sinking in, take a deep breath. We never get to see ourselves really conquer a good presentation unless we pause more often. In fact, if you watch this video back over, count how many times I paused. Count how long, how many seconds each one was. See if you can do it yourself. It takes practice. It feels a little strange, but it's the number one thing. If you learn only one thing from us, pause more often. I'm Breland Bovey with Effective Presentations.